retainers, the appliances which is given by your orthodontist for maintaining or retaining the newly changed position after your braces treatment. Friends, in the last video we have discussed the types of retainers and which retainers can you actually choose. In this video we are going to speak about why are these retainers important and how can you maintain the retainers. So come, let us have a look at this video.
Subscribe to my channel Dr. Mansi Shah to get tips and tricks on dental health.
Hello and a very happy morning to all of you, and here you are on my show Monday Mornings with Mansi and my YouTube channel Dr. Mansi Shah. So friends, retainers, as I have told you, they help you to maintain the new position of your teeth. Now here is a short story that I want to discuss with you. Now for an example, you have stayed in some place for say 10 to 12 years or maybe longer. Since your childhood you have been staying there. For the purpose of education or job, you just shifted to new city or new country, anywhere. What happens? You take some time after residing in your new town, new place, you take some time for getting settled down there, to get stabilized and to get into your routine. Isn't it? Why am I telling you this? Don't you think that the same logic or the same science is applied for this braces straightened teeth? Yes. Now your teeth have had they have developed in one particular position, right? You have by application of some force, of course. So forcefully changed them and made them straight and changed them into a new position. After changing them into this new position, what will happen? As you remember your old city or your old town, similarly the teeth remember their old position and they tend to get back. They tend to get back to their old position. So how can we prevent them or make them stabilize? By these retainers. Now there are various retainers that are available, and your orthodontist and you can decide on which retainer are you going to opt for. But this retainers, any retainer that you opt for, this retainers, they help in stabilization. So this is the most important and the only important reason why you need retainers. So basically retainers help you prevent the relapse of your treatment, and it is not only for the teeth, same applies for your jaw bones and your soft tissues. Then next is that our body is always growing, developing, especially at the age in between 15 to 20 years of age when you actually have your braces treatment completed, right? So your jawbone is also growing, your teeth are coming up. Now at the 12 years of age, your all permanent teeth, the second molar have erupted, but your wisdom teeth, your third molar, are yet to come into your cavity. Of course, with the x-rays and everything, your orthodontist does study the pattern of how will be the growth of your wisdom tooth. So this stabilization is also important if you have to accommodate the wisdom teeth in your cavity, because if the wisdom teeth are not taken into consideration, they will keep on exerting some force and there will be crowding and shifting again. And the third reason is that if you have had severely misaligned, malaligned teeth, there was a lot of crowding, a lot of teeth were removed, you have had drastic change in your smile. You need longer duration of retainers because stabilizing them is very much important. And in such cases, most of the times your dentist will give you fixed lingual bonded retainers. Now, coming to the second part of the video, that is cleaning. How are you supposed to clean? Okay, first I would say, why are you supposed to clean or maintain it? Because to avoid caries and cavities. Yes, even if there is just a single wire or in front of your teeth or back of your teeth, they can cause cavities by causing food lodgement. So it is very much important that you maintain them according to the type. So the first type is fixed lingual bonded retainers. That is the ones which are placed fixed permanently behind your upper or lower front teeth. So in this case, you have to remember two things. You have to brush properly in a vertical motion. Make sure that you properly clean with the vertical strokes. That area is clean and there is no food lodgement. And second is flossing. Proper flossing will also help prevent these cavities. Rinsing after every meal is very much important when you have lingual bonded retainers. The second type is the removable ones. So in removable, as you know that they have to be removed during your meals or whenever you're drinking something hot. So only water sipping or some cold drinks are allowed when you're using this aligners or retainers. Very much important thing with removable retainers is that once you remove it, you preferably wash it with lukewarm water. If you don't have it, wash it with cold water and place it in some container or some tiffin. It was given to you by your orthodontist or you might have just purchased it. It is very much important that it is placed in water so that it does not dry off and it does not break. Also, if there is, why wash it and then keep it? Because if there are any food particles that have been lodged there, if there is saliva that has been lodged there, that will just stay on it. If there is the food particle, that will get hardened because it was left dry, and then that would further lead to cavities and caries when again worn. So it is very much important washing and keeping it into some dipped in water. There are some cleansing materials or cleansing tablets and liquids which are available. So if you can ask your orthodontist to provide you with that. Make sure that you do not wash this retainer in some dishwasher or washing machine, or do not put it into hot water because it might just melt or break. For brushing or keeping it clean, you have to use a soft bristles toothbrush. The same toothbrush which you have been using for brushing your teeth normally can also be used. So with that toothbrush, you can just clean every part of retainer. Every nooks and hooks have to be cleaned because no food particle, no sticky stuff have to be left on this retainer. They can give you a lot of cavities and bad breath. So make sure that you clean it properly. Preferably drink only water, and yes, make sure that you drink plenty of water when you are having your retainers on. So only water is allowed because other drinks, even if it is not hot, even cold drinks do have some sugar contained, and that sugar might, if you are not sipping up water or not cleaning it for longer duration, then just cause you some cavities or caries. Okay, so this was some insight on why are retainers required and how to keep them clean. If you have any questions related to its maintenance or still are in doubt that I still don't want to have retainers, please mention it in the comment section below. If you are already a retainer wearer, do share your experience so that it can help others to feel free and to feel confident about wearing these new retainers. Do not forget to like, comment and share. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Dr. Mansi Shah. Stay tuned every Monday where I bring you new videos related to your oral health. Wishing you a very happy and healthy smile. Stay oral fit. Thank you.